She said, let's go. Come on, come on. Y'all need to come on. I'm right here, man. How you gonna get over? Hold what I got till I get what I need. Okay, yeah, we got this F-150. She said, let's go, y'all. We got my boy right here in the car. He got his helmet on. He finna be ready. Damn, did I do that?
Yeah, you did that, man.
I'm sorry. Let me see. Hey, all right, Madcap Mark. He want me to stay on longer because he know my deadline just came. Hey, Tom, man, y'all got Nico Lynn. She ready to go, y'all. They trying to clean the track, girl. They up here cleaning the track, trying to make sure it's safe. So I'm trying to come on. But they said they want to make sure everything's safe first before they come on. Yeah. But it's finna go down in a minute. It's finna go down, Nico. It's finna go down.
Let's go. Come on.
Come on. Okay. They getting ready, girl. They getting ready. If you stay longer, you gonna subscribe. Okay, look, she getting ready. Look at her. Yeah, she getting ready, girl. God loves me. Oh, they didn't crunk up. Nico Lynn, they didn't crunk up, girl. Come on. Y'all heard her. Nico, they tell me that's the only thing you know over there. Come on.
Thank you so much. Come on.
Here I come, girl. Come on. Here we come, girl. Ooh, I'm coming. Here they come. Hey, y'all check out my YouTube channel if y'all want to watch full screen. Lookout Racing. Y'all go to the full screen HD. Y'all. That way you ain't gotta worry about Nico. Get on my YouTube channel. Here it come, Nico. They coming on. Come on. Look, he wanted to come on too. Come on. Look, see? I got the race on full screen on my YouTube channel. Lookout Racing. Y'all head on over there. Other side. Okay, they coming, girl. Excuse me. Okay. Come on. Here they come. For my people on TikTok that want to see it in widescreen. Bobby Bryan, how you know I'm battling somebody on TikTok? I don't even know what the battling mean. I'm just battling her ass just for no reason. Come on. What side y'all got? Bill Max 2005. Go to my YouTube channel to watch in HD. You won't see no Nico Lynn. You can just see it all widescreen. Put it on your TV. YouTube. Lookout Racing. Look out. I'ma leave Nico Lynn on there. If you want to see full screen, you go to Lookout Racing. Let me know when you get over there too. Lookout Racing. Look out. Damn, I thought I had my drink over. Left lane for the win. Step. Right lane for the win, I mean.
Let's go.
Look, we got Nico Lynn. You already ready? You ready, Nico? Nico still talking about she ready. Let me get her back here, show her something. Nico, where you from anyway?
I'm from Russia.
Yo, you from Russia? What part? What part of Russia you in? Huh? She from Russia.
Put him in the lanes, tailgate.
Okay.
Put him in the lanes, please. Tailgate, put him in the lanes.
Okay. Damn, how the hell I'm gonna get through here? Excuse me. Damn, I got too many big people over here. I can't get through. Hey, let me get through here one time. Nico. Oh, my people that's on YouTube, y'all can hear Nico on TikTok. Oh no, I got two people on here. I got one from Russia, and I'm trying to see something. Come on. Y'all impatient over there in Russia, I see. You ready like it ain't nothing. You ready, ain't you?